Hello and welcome to our tutorial on creating tax rates in Xero using Parolla Plugins. Firstly, navigate to Parolla Plugins and sign in with Xero. If we haven't done so already, we should add the Xero organization to the Parolla Plugins account. I'm going to choose the demo company. Now we can view the details for this company. On the left-hand menu, there's tax rates, current taxes, and tax rate templates. Let's just take a look at the current taxes. You can see that these here are the Global Edition standard tax rates that come for demo companies. We would need to increase these tax rates, set the right tax numbers, and put in a few more tax codes to deal with different scenarios of the Irish tax law. We can view these in Xero directly using this button. And this redirects you to the tax advanced accounting page in Xero. Traditionally, you would enter those tax rates in here. However, using the plugins process, you can go to the tax rate templates. And you can see here that we have a set of standard tax options for the Republic of Ireland. View this page. This template contains a typical range of taxes that you would need for a business in the Republic of Ireland. It has your EU taxes, worldwide taxes, and the standard tax rates for purchases 23%, 13.5%, 9%, 4.8% and 5%. It also has the component names, which match for the T1, T2, E2, E1, ES2, etc. on the VAT3 returns. What we're going to do now is apply all of these taxes, or a selected number, into our account. Click on the taxes you want and click on Apply to Demo Company and confirm. You can see now that 25 tax rates have been created or updated in the company. And if we go back to the current taxes page, you can see that those taxes have been generated here with the corresponding codes and a new tax number. So that's setting up a new company. Now what say you had a range of companies that you wanted to set up individually? Well, you could use the tax rate templates yourself. Go to tax rate templates, choose the tax rate that you want, choose the taxes that you want, and now you can copy this to a new template. This new template has a couple more options. You can change the name. I'm going to call this My Custom Tax Options. But you might set up a tax options array for a consulting business, or for a retail business, or something that does a lot of drop shipping. Whatever you do a lot of business, you can set up a tax rate scheme for. You can also choose to share this tax rate scheme with other people. You could make it public so that everybody can use it on Parolla Plugins, or if you want to be a bit more selective, you can enter people's email addresses. Now these are the email addresses that those individuals would use to log in with Xero. So if you had someone specific in mind, you could put their Xero credential login here. Or if you had a range of people, say in your company, if you're an accountancy practice, you could put in the @ symbol and then your company's domain name for the email addresses here. And so anybody who logs into Parolla and logs into Xero using a domain name that matches this field here, they will be able to see and access this template. You can add additional line items as well. And save. Now this tax options becomes available to anybody who met those search criteria. And if I select on that tax option, I can put that into my demo company as well. You can of course edit these options, and if you need to, you can delete them. Alright, thank you very much for your time. This has been Creating Taxes in Xero using Parolla Plugins.